Welcome to a new virtual class. Today, let's talk about something really amazing. Yes, so are you ready for this? Okay, let's get class. Now, it's time to know our objective, okay? And this is here. So, what is the objective of today? Can you read with me, please? Okay, let's read it. To talk about mythological creatures. Yep, this is our objective of today. Now, let's start with our class. Okay, so here is a question for you. What are mythological creatures? Do you have an idea? Okay, let me explain you. Many of those mythological creatures are like combination strange creatures that we cannot see in these days or never would see a mythological creature because they are not real. They are fantasy. Okay? So ancient and old stories talk about these mythological creatures. And now let's see what are some kinds of mythological creatures. So, are you ready? Let's see the first mythological creature that we have today. Here. So, what is this mythological creature called? What is its name? Can you guess that? So, let's analyze this mythological creature, okay, before knowing the name. So, a kind of mythological creature has wings to fly in the air, okay. It also looks like an eagle, right, with this part of his head, and also looks like an eagle, okay. But look at the rest of the body. This kind of mythological creature has like a body of a lion. You see? It's like a strange combination of those two animals, a lion and an eagle. You see? And this mythological creature is called griffin. Repeat after me. Griffin. Yes, it is the name of this mythological. Now, let me introduce you this mythological creature. Can you recognize it? Yes, of course you can, because this mythological creature is very famous. We can see it in many stories, in television, in magazines, in different images around the world. It is really famous, of course. And it is called unicorn. Repeat after me. Unicorn. Very good. So this mythological creature is really famous. And it looks like a horse. Yes, it's completely similar. It's super similar to a horse. But the difference is that this kind of horse has something in its head. It is called a horn. Repeat after me. A horn. Yes, this kind of thing, it's a horn that is in its head, and it makes it different to a horse. So its name of this mythological creature is unicorn. To know the next mythological creature that we have. Are you ready? Okay, here you have. Look at it. What can you see? Do you recognize this mythological creature? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, you can recognize it. It is very famous too. And look at it. Its body. It has in the skin like a protection, right? It's kind of armor, like a clothing that this kind of creature has is called scale. Repeat after me. Scale. Yeah. So this scale is something that is on all its body. It's like a protection. Yeah. And this kind of mythological creature is called a dragon. Yes, the famous dragon. Repeat after me. Dragon. Yes, very good, class. You are doing an excellent job, huh? Yes, for real. So, here we have two different kinds of mythological creatures. Two, because I want to explain you the difference between those two mythological creatures, okay? Let's go. So, the first one is mermaid. Repeat after me. Mermaid. Yes, mermaid, okay? That's the name of this mythological creature. And the next mythological creature that we have is a siren. Repeat after me. A siren. Yes, very good. So, they are different, right? The first one, the mermaid. It looks like a beautiful woman with a long hair and the half of the body, the rest of the body, like a fish. And like a fish with scales. Do you remember the scales, right? Because the fishes also has scales, a protection in its skin. You know? So, they are different. Sirens are completely different than mermaids because sirens has like wings to fly. It has wings to fly. It also has like a face of a woman or sometimes like a man. And what else? It looks like an eagle, right? Like a bird that can fly. It has also like claws in its hand. Okay? Repeat after me. Claws. Some these kind of things that you can see here. So they are completely different and you know the names, right? So mermaids and sirens. Time to see the next mythological creature. Are you prepared? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, here you have. This is our new mythological creature. So, can you tell me what is its name? Do you know it? Can you guess? What is this? Let's analyze it, okay? It has like the body, the half body of a human, and the rest of the body is like a horse. You see? It is like half to half. One animal and a human. Like a combination, a strange combination. Its name is centaur. Repeat after me. Centaur. Centaur. Yes, very good. Okay, class, This is the final mythological creature. Yes, and here you have. Okay, so what can you see in this picture? Can you guess or do you know the name of this mythological creature? Yes or no? Yes or no? No? Okay, don't worry. I'll explain you. Okay, so let's analyze this mythological creature. Okay, look at it. And it looks like a siren, right? It has wings to fly. It has like the body of a bird, you know? And it's similar to a siren, but they are not the same. A siren and this kind of mythological creature are completely different. They are different kinds. And its name is da 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 da. Its name is Harpy. Yes, it's a harpy. Okay? So, thank you so much for your attention, dear class. This is all for today. The class is over. And I'll see you in the next opportunity. And remember, stay at home. Goodbye.